My name is Marek and I work in the Patentus company for like 3.5 years, which last about 3 years I work on the FERMAT WFT 13 machine. And it's a very good machine because it's new, of course. And the accessories part, especially the 3D head, that two-axis 3D head that it's with this machine, it does a lot of job and make the job easier. The specifications about machine, it's in x-axis I have about 4 meters, in y-axis 2 meters, and in z it's like 1.5 meter. On this machine mainly I do the cases for the stone crushers and such. It's I know the big things and heavy, and this machine does it very well. With 3D head, I only have one mount of the detail on the table, and I could do many things with the 3D head. Also, it's important that it's very time effective, because I don't have to catch the bases. The machine self-calculates all the axes when the heads rotates or move on, and also the tool exchanger is very important. It shortens the time of doing things. The hide and high steering, it's very logical and it's very easy to learn, and that's why on this new machine I discovered new options and new self-calculating things and many options that wasn't on the old machine that I had. And for me it was very exciting to learn it and to just use it. After the machine was placed on here, we had a training with a FERMAT technician, and it lasted I think 5 days, and he learned us the basics of the basics, let's say, how to use the machine, how to change the tools, how to write some simple programs, how to use the touch probe. The touch probe, which is in this machine, is for me it's a thing that must be on every machine. It's glorious. Especially about measuring the holes and such. You only put on the diameter of the hole, and it's self-measuring the hole, and that's it. Of course, you have to be careful with this because it's very sensitive. I discovered some options on the machine, like when I have some serial production, and I put the detail on the table, and then I can tell the machine that she will use the touch probe and probe the detail very accurate, and then I can start the work. So that's the thing I discovered that it's possible. Also, the many cycles of tapping, but not with normal tap, but with the universal tap. We had to discover, let's say, how to do it. The machine is good, it's reliable, and but of course sometimes we need to contact the service. And the FERMAT service, it's very good. It reacts quickly, and many things they can do just remotely. If they can't do it remotely, they just come in here in I don't know, maybe 3 days or so. Working on the FERMAT machine, I work on there, like I mentioned, for 3 years, and I can't imagine to work on any other machine. And because of the touch probe, because of the accuracy of the machine, because of the 3D head, and all the things I learned there, I know that I can learn more and do better and better and better.